Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And I checked this one earlier on in the day and was thinking, well, that's kind of all she wrote. But what a cruel joke the Bulls played on the Bears. I mean, you look at the opening part of the day, and the price pulled back pretty severely. And then all of a sudden, the price just slowly kind of crept its way upwards. And then it was almost like this is with a ha-ha moment for the Bulls. I mean, the final 30 minutes just absolutely ripped upwards again. Each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up again just because you look right here and you can see the final 30 minutes of the day by far had the most volume. So I'm guessing some sort of news or filing or something came out. Whatever happened, apparently the market liked it. So let's get some things updated here. First thing I'm going to do is just house cleaning, get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible, and we'll just get rid of those. The first update, though, comes about just on a very foundational level in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So if you did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 52 cents as that level of support. And now with the price up above it, this would definitely be that level of support to keep an eye on going forward. And, kind of a catch-22 because, yeah, you have this level of support and then the price is way up there at 60. So, I mean, when you have these bigger moves, they do tend to create bigger spaces, between those levels of support. Now, I'm not saying if the price pulls back, it's going to automatically go straight down to 52 cents. I'm just saying, technically speaking, it'd be probably a little nicer if, you had like a support somewhere up around this area of the chart. But as it stands right now, 52 cents is going to be that key one. We may have to go to another time frame because when's the last time the price was... Well, there we go. There's another level of support from previous highs back in June, and that sits at about 55 cents. So that was just, based on the same premise when levels of resistance are broken. So 55 was a resistance back here. When is that? That was back in about June 15th. So that's, the next level to kind of keep an eye on. Let's go to the daily time frame to try to figure out where some next potential levels of resistance are. So this is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. So let's see. Going into tomorrow, next key battleground for the price is going to be right up here at the 62 cent mark, and these are from highs back here in late May. If the bulls can push through there, the next key level right up here around these previous highs at 70 cents. So with a big movement today, we'll see if the bulls can continue to build and gain some more organic momentum, but those will be the next couple areas of resistance. Very nice move today. Really very nice final 30 minutes. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.